So I have a flat tire. Turn on your caution lights and find a safe place to pull over and park. Now you're going to set the parking brake. Then you're going to grab some tools. The essentials should be the jack, wrench, handle, and of course your spare tire. Here's your jack. You have a speed handle that connects to the jack like this. You can turn this either to the left to lower it or to the right to raise it. Next, you want to remove the hubcap if you have one. To do this, firmly grip the inside of the cap and pull. So now you got to get this tire off. Most cars have 5 lugs that you need to break loose. We break these bolts by turning to the left when facing the tire. Reference the video. To do this, we'll incorporate some mechanical advantage by putting downward force on the furthest end of the wrench like you see in order to break the lugs free. Now here's your jack, and this part is important. Take a look at this picture. Now take a look at this groove right here. There is a line that runs on both sides of your car. That's where you should put your jack. It runs the length of your car. You always want to match up and get on those lines. If you don't, you could damage your car. So what I'm doing right now in this portion, I'm going to put the groove of my jack. I'm going to raise it a little bit, and I'm going to put it right where this groove is. This is the most optimum point to lift the car. And that's why it's there. That's why it's prescribed like that. Now I'm going to hook my speed handle inside the jack. Then I'm going to raise the car about 6 inches off the ground. Remember, the bolts were already loose. Now I'll just take them out by hand at this point. Once the lugs are out, sometimes you may have to kick or bang the tire to get it off the rotor. Now you're going to install your spare tire and hand tighten your bolts until they are tight. Now this part is important. You're going to lower the car, and then you are going to tighten your bolts in a crisscross pattern like you see me doing right now, so you can have equal distribution. Reinstall the hubcap, find the valve stem, line it up, bang it a couple times, boom, you're in. Thank you for watching.